There are times when using AutoCAD you may want to open two drawings side by side, either for the purpose of copying from one drawing to the other or simply comparing the two drawings. In this video I'm going to show you how to do just that. Now I have two drawings on my computer desktop right now. The first one is here, 4-bedroom, and this is the second one. I want to open these two drawings so I can view them side by side in my AutoCAD. So without waste of time, I'm going to double click on this first one to launch it or to open it. Okay, I've successfully opened the first drawing. Next I'm going to do now is open the second drawing. To do that, I'll go over to letter A here at the top left corner. Okay, I'll click on it and I'll come to open. Can now locate the second file. So if you remember, the second drawing is on my computer desktop, so I'm already on the computer desktop here. This is the drawing over here. I'll click on it once, then I'll click open. AutoCAD will now open the drawing. Now the drawing has finished loading. This is the second drawing. If you have two drawings open in AutoCAD, how you know is you look at this tab here. There are two tabs here, or three. Okay, the first one is for the start page. If you click here, this is the first page you see when you launch AutoCAD. This was the first drawing I opened. This is the second one. Okay, by default AutoCAD always brings out the first page, okay, as a tab as well. In case in your own AutoCAD you are not seeing this tab, these tabs can be hidden. Okay, so before I place my drawing side by side, let me show you where you put it on and off. Simply go to the view tab. View tab is over here. Okay, if I click on view tab, you come over to the end right here, where you have files tab here. You can see it's highlighted. Okay, when it's highlighted, it means this file tab is on. If I want to put it on, I'll simply click on this file tab here. Now observe this place. As I click here, it's going to disappear. You can see the file tab are no longer there. So should in case your own file tab is not showing, you come to view, okay, then you come to file tab, you click on it, okay, to put it on again. That's how to do that. Now without waste of time, let me come back to my home tab again. To place or view these drawings side by side, I'll still go back to the view tab once again. Okay, then at the extreme end here, these are the various ways, these three commands here that we have. They're the various commands you can use to view your drawings side by side. And let's start with the tile horizontal. If I click on it, you can watch this window is going to change automatically. Okay, arranging the drawings I've opened already horizontally. So I'll click on it. So as you can see right now, this is the first drawing. You can see that it's arranged in its own window horizontally here. This is the second one. This is the second one over here. And this is the third one. If you want to work on each or any of these drawings, you simply click on the title bar here, and you'll be in here and you can start working. Okay, now let's check the second command, which is this tile vertically. If I click on tile vertically, you can see how AutoCAD rearranges windows from this was the first drawing. Okay, this is the second drawing. So you can see that I'm now seeing this or viewing these drawings side by side. I can copy drawings, okay, across these two files that I've opened. This is the title page. Now let's see how the cascade command looks like. If you click on it, it makes the windows float. Okay, the windows are now floating individually. If I click and drag on this title bar, I can be able to move the windows individually. This is good should in case you open so many drawings and you want to close some. Okay, let's say for instance you open or launch like 5 drawings on the same AutoCAD application. You want to reduce them, you can simply use the cascade command that's under the view menu tab. Then as they are floating like this, you can simply close it here. Okay, it's asking me to save, you can say no, so I can now close it. So I can equally click back on tile vertically. AutoCAD will rearrange it for me again. If I want to view my drawing as a single drawing, you can simply come over to the drawing you want to view, Then you click on maximize here at the middle, and you now open the drawing for you as a whole. Okay, thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, kindly subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below for more videos like this one you just watched. You can also turn on the notification bell icon as well, so you can be notified anytime we post a new video. Bye.